Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. So what are we gonna do today? Because I need to do something about my bookshelves. It's just not working out anymore. And my bookshelves are a mess. If you guys are new here, I just moved. And I haven't organized my bookshelves, and I just gave a bunch of books away, so I kind of need to reorganize my bookshelves. So I thought I would do a little organizing my bookshelves vlog, maybe show you guys some of the books that I haven't read that are on my bookshelves, and just a little fun vlog. But before we get into that, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Book of the Month, and I'm so excited to be working with Book of the Month because I've always worked with them on TikTok, but I'm so excited that I'm working with them on YouTube, and I get to show you guys my favorite book subscription box that I've been literally obsessed with since 2021. So Book of the Month is a super popular and fast-growing online book service for readers. Their mission is to promote new and emerging authors and help readers find books that they love. Their team vets hundreds of books each month and gives readers their choice from a curated selection of new and early release titles. And I love their skip policy. They are totally risk-free. You can skip any month and you won't be charged. My book is on the way, so I don't actually have the book to show it to you guys, but I'm gonna show you the ones that I picked and also the ones that are available. So the first one is Someone Else's Shoes, which is a contemporary fiction, and I chose this as my Book of the Month pick for February. Rivers Sing Me Home, and then Georgie All Along, then The Writing Retreat, and the last one here is Mame. But let me know what you guys pick for February. The link is down below in the description if you guys want to get Book of the Month. And it's so funny, you're gonna see my bookshelves and I have a whole section for my Book of the Month books. I'm obsessed. So let's go ahead and get started with the vlog. Okay, so that was the overview of what my little book space looks like right now. I just need to really organize things, but I'm going to start with these bookshelves right here because I think I'm gonna put, sorry, those bookshelves. I'm gonna put all the books that I have on my tall bookshelves on another bookshelf that I have over there because it's bigger, and I want to use the bookshelves for storage for my business. I want to take out all the books and clean the bookshelves and everything, so I'm gonna use them as organizers. I don't know if you say it like that, but yeah. Let's just take out all the books that I have here. Okay, so a little backstory. I'm going to set up this entire space as a workspace. So I want to make sure that I have I move all the bookshelves that I have to move and put them in the order that I want and all that stuff, so I can make a big space for my business. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure to watch the last video because that's my podcast episode, and I talked to you guys about my newest project that I'm so excited for. So yeah, let's get started. So I want to put all the book series together, and then my Book of the Month books. So let's see if I can make it happen. High up in the sky, cruising through the night. By the way, I wanted to tell you guys, I'm going on a trip on Friday, and you bet that I'm going to go to Barnes & Noble and Target and all the freaking places, and I'm gonna do my book shopping vlog that I haven't done in so long, and I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. I promised myself that I'm not gonna buy a bunch of books. Like, I just wanna go for the experience. So yeah, stay tuned. The book shopping vlog is gonna come soon. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I know it's not the most aesthetic thing ever, but I honestly just stopped caring so much about how it looks, like the aesthetic of how my bookshelves look like. And then the other bookshelf that I didn't even move, because this one did have like a bunch of books already. I have like my hardcover books here, so didn't do much with this one. And then at the top I have my mini bookshelf. This is what my bookshelves are gonna look like, and I'm okay with it. I liked how it turned out. And don't get me wrong, I do love my aesthetic things, but I don't know, I just stopped caring so much about like my bookshelves in particular being like so aesthetic. I used to think like it had to be so aesthetic and fit the whole aesthetic of the room and everything, and while I do love it, that is a lot of work and a lot of worrying. So now I just put my books in my bookshelves and maybe like put some decorations, but yeah, overall that is how my bookshelves are gonna look like. I'm actually so proud that I could fit all the books in there. I know that bookshelf is kind of like, I know I'm putting like a lot of weight on that bookshelf. Like, I know if it if it falls over, it falls over. But yeah, you guys, that is my mini vlog, bookshelf vlog. But stay tuned for next week. I'm so excited for the book shopping vlog, obviously. I haven't been to a Barnes & Noble in, I think, like almost a year, and I miss it so much. But I hope you guys liked the video. I know it was a quick little video, but I am happy with how it turned out. So make sure to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. And I will see you in my next one. And don't forget to click the link in the description to get your Book of the Month book for February. But yeah, I will see you next week. I love you. Bye.